Welcome to our channel. Wi-Fi 7 router setup? We've got you covered. This is the Netgear RS700, a high-performance Wi-Fi 7 router built for ultra-fast speed, low latency, and next-gen connectivity. Let's see what it offers. When you open the box, you're greeted with everything you need to set up your high-performance home network. First, there's the Quick Start Guide, your go-to manual with simple instructions to get you connected fast. Next, in the separate box, you'll find a instructions manual, durable high-speed Ethernet cable, perfect for stable wired connections when needed. The included power adapter ensures a steady and reliable power supply. And finally, the centerpiece, Netgear's RS700 Wi-Fi 7 router. Sleek, powerful, and built to deliver ultra-fast speeds. In next step, download the Nighthawk app from the Play Store or App Store. Plug in your router, power it on, and follow the on-screen setup instructions. In this quick video tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through setting up your Netgear RS700 using the Nighthawk app. Simple, fast, and hassle-free. Once setup is done, here's a real-world speed test using the RS700. Impressive performance for 4K streaming, gaming, and smart homes. Still having trouble? Here are quick fixes for the most common issues. LED not turning on. Check power adapter. App can't find router. Reboot your phone and router. Internet slow? Try changing the channel or reconnecting your modem. Still need help? Don't worry. We provide free support via call and chat. Please like share, and subscribe our channel for more tech guides. Thank you.